Hello, this is Munir and today I want to talk about just three letter words, and that is, guess what it would be. If you guess, that's right, or let me define it to you. It's just a small word, and that is ego. It is poisonous, it is dangerous. It can put you in a danger and a limited zone where it is impossible for you to escape out. So keep your ego aside first, because ego can trigger you with unhappiness, anxiety, stress, resentments, jealousy, and a lot more. Those leaders who are successful and who are known by their names in the industry are ego free. This is a key to success. If you have ego in your attitude or in your lifestyle, you are hampering your growth yourself, because the one who has ego in their veins cannot progress ahead. So if you want to travel far, if you want to travel fast, if you want to achieve your goals, you have to be ego free, right? Because ego is very rigid and hard in nature. It will push you down. The moment you want to go up, ego will push you down. So always remember and believe my words that if you want to reach at your destination, if you want to achieve your goals faster than ever, you have to keep your ego aside. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.